Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. If you already have a Canva account but not sure how to log in this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to sign in and start designing in seconds. First, open your web browser, navigate to your search engine and go to canva.com. So if you're on mobile, open the Canva app from the Play Store or App Store. On the home page, look at the top right corner and tap the login button. Here, you will now see different options. So the reason this site is suggesting me to continue with email is because last time I used email to log in. Tap continue another way to view few more options. So from all these options, select the one you used when you created your account. If you chose the email option, just like I did, type in your email address and tap continue. A verification code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Canva dashboard. From here, you can open your past designs or start a brand new one. And that's it. You're now signed into Canva and ready to create. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in next one.